In the second quarter, the demand for potash and magnesium products remained good, especially in our home market Europe, but also in South America and here especially in Brazil. Potash prices continue to stabilize. They have bottomed out at the beginning of this year. However, prices are down significantly year on year. That's why we have seen a drop in revenues for potassium chloride. Our fertilizer specialties and the presence in Europe have further stabilized our business. Our de-icing salt business in North America is positive. We have seen a sharp rise in demand and we can expect higher prices. We have achieved a good progress on our projects Fit for the Future and Legacy. EBIT 1 is slightly lower than a year ago. Here included we have a positive special item of roughly 30 million euros. That's for an anticipated insurance payment for the damage at our Unterbreizbach site. Adjusted, we have seen a significant decline in EBIT 1 compared to the previous year. In total, in the first half of this year, we have seen a solid overall performance. Our cost savings program, Fit for the Future, was initiated in November last year. Fit is to make production and administration more efficient. Our target is to save 500 million euros by 2016. So far, we have seen good progress. The target for 2014 is 150 million euros. We have achieved half of that already. So far, the focus has been on material costs and maintenance. We are convinced to meet our targets. Legacy, the construction of a new potash site in Canada, is on track. In April, we have signed a contract with Pacific Coast Terminals, our partner for the construction and operation of a new cargo terminal and storage facility in Vancouver. In June, we have opened our camp, the new temporary home for 1,400 workers. We are going forward as scheduled. The first ton of product is expected as planned for the second half of 2016, and we remain in budget. For 2014, we expect revenues to be between 3.65 billion and 3.85 billion euros. Potash prices bottomed out at the beginning of this year, but the lower average price in the potash business unit resulted in decreased revenues. Solid revenues in our salt business cannot completely make up for this. EBIT 1 should come in between 490 and 517 million euros. Incorporated here is a special item, roughly 30 million euros. We anticipate an insurance payment for the damage at our Unterbreizbach site. The decline is also due to the lower average price in the potash business unit. However, the long-term trends remain intact. A growing population, the change in dietaries towards more meat consumption, and a decline in arable land per capita. To provide food for one person, there's less than 1,800 square meters arable land available. This is not even half a football field. Our products help to increase yields per hectare. And the salt? With our portfolio and a production on 3 continents, K+S is the largest salt producer worldwide. So we are well prepared for the future with 2 pillars. Recently, we have seen a drop in prices of some agriculture commodities. Prices are under pressure because of record harvests in some areas of the world. If this development is sustainable, farmers may implement cost-cutting measures. On the other hand, they are interested in higher yields per hectare to compensate for the price development. This indicates a more intensive use of fertilizers, and expenditure on potash only accounts for 2 to 4% of the total cost of a farmer. So there might only be a slight impact on potash demand.